Good day, students. This is mathematics class for grade 10, chapter 6, triangles. Exercise 6.3, page number 140 of your mathematics textbook. Problem number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Parallelogram ABCD. So in parallelogram we have the opposite sides parallel. So this is a parallelogram ABCD and E is a point on the side AD produced. So now let us produce the side AD. So I have produced AD and this is a point on the side AD which is produced. And then BE, the side BE intersects CD at F. So let me join now B and E. So I've joined BE. Now BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So first let us write the given. So given part is ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. What we have to prove? To prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Next, let us move to the proof. So here, see this parallelogram. In this parallelogram, I told you that the opposite sides are parallel. Isn't it, students? That is, the side AD is parallel to the side BC and side AB is parallel to side BC. So here first let me write AD parallel to BC. So AD is parallel to BC because what is the reason? Because ABCD is a parallelogram. So if AD is parallel to BC, even AE is also parallel to BC. So AE is also parallel to BC. Now, if two lines are parallel and if one line comes this way, the angles formed here are called as the alternate angles, and these alternate angles are equal. Okay, see, these alternate angles are equal. Now look here. In this figure, we have AD, that is AE, parallel to BC, and the alternate angles produced are this and this. So these angles are equal. That is, let me name these angles as angle 1 and angle 2. Did you get the students? So in triangle ABE and triangle CFB we have, so in triangle ABE and triangle CBF, angle 1 equal to angle 2. And what is the reason? They are the alternate angles. And then, now let us check which angles are equal in these two triangles, that is triangle ABE and CBF. So we know that in a parallelogram, the opposite angles, this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle are equal. The opposite angles are equal. So now look at this figure. Here in the parallelogram, we have angle A equals to angle C. So we got angle 1 is equal to angle 2, the alternate angles. Then we have angle A is equal to angle C. And that is what is the reason? In parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. The opposite angles are equal. So now by angle criteria, we can say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Is it clear, students? Yes. So we have by angle criteria, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Hence, proved. Thank you, students.